Hello children, today in Standard 4 Computer Practical Class Video 3, I will show you how to delete text or blocks of text, and then we will do undo and redo changes. So first we will open a Word document. I have saved on a Word document. I will open it. Here you can see I have written something. If you want to delete a text, okay, then what you have to do, if it is on the you want to delete this line and that cursor is on the left side, so what you have to do, you have to press the delete key to delete the text from the right side of your computer. See, okay, you can delete the line by using the delete key if you want to delete from the right side of the cursor. And if your cursor is on the right side, this is on the right side of this line, and you want to delete this first line, you can use the backspace to delete the left side of the cursor. So you can delete the back side of the cursor by using the backspace key. If you want to delete the whole paragraph, what you have to do, you have to select the text and just you have to press the delete key. This is your delete key. Just press the delete key and it is gone. Now I will show you how to undo or redo changes. I have deleted the paragraph. If I want the paragraph again, simply you go to the undo button and press it. You can see the paragraph has come. And again, if you don't want this one, you just press the redo button and it will delete. So these undo and redo button are used to easily remove a change or to restore the original text. Okay. Now children, I will tell you about how to find and replace a text in a document. See, this is your editing group. Here you can see the option. This is your editing group. Here you can see the option find and replace. Now if I will click on find, see, one dialog box is coming. I want to find a word and then I will replace it with another word. Let me show you what I will do. I will find this it word and yet I will change it into computer. Okay, so press the find word. Find what it is written, you write it. And then find next, we don't want, then we find. Now we have to change it with, so we will click here replace and we will change it with the word computer. I have written computer and I will replace. I will replace it and close it. See, the word came computer. Wherever it was there, it came as computer. So this is the work of your find and replace. Any word you want to, particular word which you want to replace or rechange, you can go for this editing group where you will get find and replace. You will find the word, write the word which you want and then replace it with the word which you want to give. Now children, I will show you how to check your spelling and grammar mistake. See, I have written one line here, computer is a electronic machine. You can see the red line, this red wavy line, it shows that your spelling is wrong. So what you have to do, you just keep your cursor there, then right click. You can see the option are here to change the spelling. So this is my correct spelling, I can give the spelling here. Okay, then here you see one green wavy line is coming here. That means it is your grammatical mistake. What you have to do, you keep your cursor here and just right click, you will get options. So you can change it here, whatever change, that means your grammatical change is there. So you can change the things, and I know that it will be N, so I will put AN. So now you see the lines are gone. That means this line is correct. It is showing because the space is there, so I will Press the backspace key to remove the space. Now it is computer is an electronic machine. So like this you can check your spelling and grammatical mistake. Children, you can use this review tab for changing your spelling and your grammatical mistakes. See, spelling and grammatical mistake is there, so you can go and change the required changes. You can do it here. Then we will go to thesaurus. Thesaurus means you will get the meaning of a word. This thesaurus is used to get the synonym of a word. Like this electronic is there. Let me select it, and then I will go to this thesaurus. See here, it came. See, electronic written, search we will do. If you will search the word, you will get the synonym of the word electronic. So you can get, if you have any hard word and you want a synonym for that word, then you can use this thesaurus. Okay. Then next we will go to the word count. Here I have written one paragraph, so I want to know how many words I have used. Sometime you are getting a task to write 150 words on some essay or on a topic, so you can count the number. Your numbers are counted here. You can see this word count at the down, so that you can write how the number of word it has been asked you to write. So this is your MS Word. I hope you have understood all the things of this MS Word window. Thank you.